Hey Christmas Pink Angels, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome if you're new. So it's the day after Boxing Day and I am filming what I got for Christmas. I was so lucky and received really beautiful presents from my friends and family, so I wanted to show you guys because I have been loving watching these videos. So I'm not showing off or anything, I just wanted to show you what I got because I think these videos are really fun. I hope you all had a really lovely Christmas and I am really excited to start the new year with lots of fun pink content. I have lots of ideas, so please do subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to stay up to date with all of that. And also feel free to follow me on Instagram. It's at Aloha Amy _ and there's always lots of pink prettiness over there. So let's just go ahead and get on with the video. I hadn't actually asked for anything in particular for Christmas, so my mum surprised me with the most beautiful pair of boots. I had seen these online before, but I hadn't bought them because they're not really like an essential boot, shall we say. But they're really beautiful and I'm so lucky, and it was such a surprise. So I got these really cute pink cowgirl boots. They are so fun, I love them. They remind me so much of Hannah Montana, and I was obsessed with Hannah Montana and I still am, and these are just perfect. So they're baby pink, my favourite colour, western boots. They are so lovely. They're from June and I love June shoes. They have such lovely styles. They're really kind of young and fun, and these are just fab. So I'm obsessed with these. I was so lucky and I was really surprised by them as well. So happy I got these. Then I had already picked this up when I was out shopping with my mum, but she hid it away, and I got the Too Faced Christmas Cookie House Party palette. So I'd bought the Let It Snow Girl palette before. I bought it at the same time as this, and I just thought these were both so beautiful, but mum had this one away for my Christmas and it's so cute. So firstly, the outside box is really pretty, and then this is what the palette looks like. So you get the eyeshadows, and then you get a little roof that is a little magnet, and then the wee door. How sweet is that? So it's so pretty. I'm just obsessed with this. It's just so sparkly and beautiful and fun, and of course amazing from Too Faced. So the little roof has really pretty sparkles, and in this we have got a highlighter, a blusher and a bronzer. So the highlighter is called Get Frosted and it's beautiful, and then we've got Daydreamer blush and Extra Toasty bronzer. So it's really cute, and then it just says Too Faced at the top. Then the little door has a little gingerbread man on the front, and inside it has the most gorgeous glitters. It says "'Tis the season to sparkle," and it's got these really lovely glitters. They're like glitter gels, which I have in a few of the palettes. The Let It Snow Girl palette has that too, and so does the Pretty Rich palette. They're really nice. They're just like really nice to be applied with your fingers, and then there's also a couple of matte shades in there as well. And then the main part has the eyeshadows. So it's got really cute little gingerbread men and ladies having a little party with their cocktails, and then the most gorgeous eyeshadows. So I managed to take some photos before I used it on Christmas morning, but I got really excited, so I have used it a few days in a row now. It's so pretty. There's gorgeous glitters and mattes, and they're all warm toned pinky colours, purples, my exact needs an eyeshadow. It's like exactly what I look for, so I'm not just going to use this at Christmas. I'll definitely be using this all year round, and I just love that it's got like sweeties and glitter, and it's just so cute and I love it. And it smells like sweets and sugar, so it's so lovely. When you bought that box, it also came with the little mini mascara, which I got in the other palette, and it's such a good mascara. And then I got the shadow insurance, which was perfect because my other eyeshadow primer had completely ran out, so perfect timing. And then I got this gorgeous melted matte lipstick, and it has wee gingerbread men on it. How pretty is that? I'm obsessed. And this smells really nice as well. It smells like cake batter and kind of gingerbready as well, like slightly spiced cake batter. It's so good. And this is really like pigmented melted matte lipstick, so I'm obsessed with that. I have on the eyeshadows today. I have been using the kind of warm rose gold tones, and with that I also mixed in a liquid eyeshadow which I got from my brother. So he gave me this really gorgeous set from Pixie, which, have I used Pixie makeup before? I don't think I have. I've used their skincare all the time, but I don't think I'd ever tried Pixie makeup as far as I can tell. And he got me this really pretty little set. I can't tell if it's coming up in camera, but the box is actually iridescent. It's got like sparkles all over it. So this is the Lip Icing Lip Gloss, and then the Liquid Fairy Lights Liquid Eyeshadow, and these are stunning. So they're like really gorgeous rose gold shades, so perfect for Christmas, just so perfect. So basically the lip gloss is in the colour Glassy, and then the eyeshadow is Liquid Fairy Lights in rose gold. This liquid eyeshadow is insane. So I've been putting the Too Faced shades in my crease and kind of warming that up, and then putting this in my inner corner, just kind of painting it on, and it just dries so nicely and lasts all day. Super duper sparkly, and then I also pop a little bit of a sparkly Too Faced shade on top as well, which matches perfectly. This shade is just like the colour I Love Yule, which is a rose gold sparkle, is the exact same colour as this, so it looks really really nice on top just for extra sparkle. And this has been my go-to party look, so I love that. And then the lip gloss is stunning, like it's so smooth and it's really really sparkly and rose gold, and I love it. So that was really good, and my brother's picked that out for me. And my brother also got me this dressing gown. I asked him for a new dressing gown because, I'm not gonna lie, my old one was completely covered in fake tan. It happens, and this new one is cream with gold sequin stars. So my brother also got me these really cute pyjamas. I think they're from Sainsbury's, and so is the dressing gown, and these have Santas on them and little soldiers, little toy soldiers. They're really really cute, so I got them and I wore them on Christmas, so that's lovely. And then to go with that, little top that also has Santa and toy soldiers, and it says ho ho ho. From my mum and dad, they also got me these. Basically, my mum and I had been in TK Maxx, and we had seen these really nice teapots and coffee pot, and I bought them. I don't actually have my own kitchen, but in the future obviously I will, so it was just too good a deal to pass up, so I got these. They are from Le Cuisset, I think that's how you say it. I'm not sure if it's Le Cuisset, Le Cuisset, I don't know, but anyway, I got a blue teapot, which is really really pretty. It's just so shiny and lovely. I don't drink tea, but obviously I need a teapot for guests and stuff. And then I got a baby pink one as well, and this, I think I'm going to use this as a coffee pot. It says it's a teapot, but I will use this as a coffee pot, and it's just so beautiful. If you've been to Peggy Portion Cakes in London, then you will know that their mugs and things are all baby pink and pastel blue, so that's what I was going for. I think it's so pretty and I can't wait to use these. And then to go with that, I also got the matching salt and peppers. So these are baby pink ones, and I think they're so pretty. I think they'll look so lovely just sitting out on the table. So when my dad was in Australia, I put on Instagram that he picked out a Too Faced lip gloss for me in Mecca, which was so brave of him. He asked me if I wanted anything, and I gave him the exact shade and exact lip gloss that I was looking for, but he went in there and got it for me. But then he found a Sephora and also very bravely went in there and got my favourite lipstick. He did ask me, but I didn't know that he'd actually got this. He saved it till Christmas. This is my favourite lip liner, lipstick and lip gloss. It's from Marc Jacobs and it's in the shade Sugar High. I've mentioned this before, it's just my absolute favourite. The lip liner is just so creamy and it's so amazing. And then same with the lip gloss and the lipstick, it's just perfect, and this colour is beautiful. I'm wearing it today with the Pixie lip gloss on top, and I really love that combo, but he was very brave to go into Sephora and get this for me. I didn't expect it, and it's so pretty, and I'm so grateful, and it's really lovely. So I also got this dress, which is kind of hard to show. I will maybe show like a picture that, because I wore it yesterday to my grand's house. But it's this gorgeous kind of velvet midi dress, and it's kind of like scrunched. I don't know how to describe this, like really tight pleats, and then it's high necked, and then it has little buttons at the top. So it's just really beautiful. I thought this looked really like classy and elegant, and then to add to the elegance, I got a little fluffy bolero. So this is from Betsy Johnson, and it's so pretty. So basically you just kind of throw it on top of your party dresses, and it's just the prettiest thing. It just makes me feel so luxurious. It just feels so luxurious and so fancy, and it looked beautiful with that dress. So I will again put a little picture in to show you, but I'm obsessed with this and it's so soft and lovely, and my mum got me that. From my mum and dad I got some cute cupcake cases. I really like baking, and these are little pastel cupcake cases with scalloped edges and they're really pretty. And then I got these icing spatulas, and these are pink and blue and grey, and they'll match my teapots, and all my baking things are pink and blue, so it all matches, and these are going to come in really handy when I'm making cakes. And then it wouldn't be Christmas without a tube of Sweeties, so I got pink Smarties. I always get pink Smarties, they're my favourite, and I just love that you can get only pink ones. Like, they're the best obviously, so I'm so lucky. And then I also got a Pez, and this is Buzz Lightyear, and I love Buzz, he's my favourite, so especially when he speaks Spanish, I just love that, so I got that. I actually got lots more Sweeties. I got rainbow Smarties, I got these Aeros that are, what flavours are they? Salted caramel, milk chocolate and praline. I'm very excited about salted caramel Aeros. Never tried that before, and that sounds amazing, and I love salted caramel. Then I got a little cracker of Heroes, and I love Heroes. My favourite ones are the caramel ones. Also got this really pretty Christmas decoration. It's like a pink kind of teardrop shape. It'll fit my Christmas tree downstairs, but it's a little bit big for my Christmas tree right there, which reminds me I have another gift on there. I got a little decoration for my tree from my mum, and it's a pink diamante shoe. Like, what more do you want in life? So it's so pretty. I'll do like a close-up of it because it's so pretty and it's so sparkly, and it's kind of a little bit big for that tree, but it's fine. It's pretty, so we'll go with it. I also got a Yankee candle, and this is in the scent Pink Sands, which is one of my favourites, and it's amazing. This just reminds me of Hawaii. So my gran gave me this really pretty soap. It's shaped like a cupcake and it has a little rose on top, and I just think this is so adorable. It's a little handmade soap. And then along with that she also gave me a perfume. So this is La Vie est Belle by Lancome, and the box is sparkly, like it's so pretty, and this is such a lovely fresh perfume, which is exactly what I look for. I love a fresh sweet scented perfume, and this is beautiful. So also for my gran and grandpa, they gave me a voucher for Victoria's Secret, so that is like the perfect gift for me. So I got a really nice Victoria's Secret voucher, and I'm really excited about spending that. Mum and I are going to go into town in a few days and shop because it's their semi-annual sale at the moment, so I'll get even more things, and hopefully next week there'll be a video of like a haul of some sort. So yeah, that was very kind of them. Talking of Victoria's Secret, my friend Kristen got me these really cool slides from Victoria's Secret Pink. They're like kind of like petrol, I don't know how to describe it, but they're like, what's it called? What's that word called? Hollow. That is the word. So they are holographic slides, and they're very cool. So I'm really excited about wearing them. They're really fun, and that was very kind of her as well. I also got these really cute Christmas lights. They're pink pearls, and I think these will look really cute on my Christmas tree as well, because the lights on my tree right now are kind of acting up a little bit, so those are really cute. Yeah, I think that's pretty much most of the things. There are a few others, and if I didn't mention them, that's because they're just kind of still downstairs. But yeah, thank you so much to everyone who kindly gave me a present. I'm so grateful, and I really hope you guys had a lovely Christmas. I had such a nice time with my family, so I really hope you enjoyed this video, and please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because there'll be lots more fun content coming in the new year. And again, if you have any suggestions, let me know what you want to see and I will film it for you. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye!